That's the house that we seen across the road from us. Alright, baby, let's take a ride in Lakeland.
Yep.
See, we're still out of power, so let's see what's going on.
Yep.
A lot of people are cleaning up now. Yep.
It's a little tree, but it's still down.
And this is the north side, so let everybody know. It looks good so far.
So
A
far,
couple
so
trees
good.
here or there, but
Yeah.
nothing other than that one house major.
Oh, that
Alright,
tree
we got
came
another
down.
tree right there that came down.
And right there.
Wow.
Oh, there's lines down.
That could be our line. Yeah, birds. A little crazy.
Hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, they already mowed.
Yeah, I'm ready to mow too once it gets drier out. Or I'll mow tomorrow. Yep, everyone's cleaning. That's what you gotta do. You gotta get out here and clean, and because it's gonna get hot. It is gonna get hot.
Their tree cut down.
Yeah, a lot of that moss from the tree. But yeah, people are doing it. They're out there getting what needs to be done. Cut in there.
I go by Summer's house.
It's like we got a haze
Here.
up ahead. Sun trying to break through. Yeah, that's, oh, some trees fell down back there. That's my niece's house. That's my parents' property. Everything looks
That
good.
one didn't make it too
Nope,
bad.
that one did not. Alright, sand cranes. Let's do it. Another branch down there. Not bad. Not bad.
So far, it looks like we all fared pretty well, at least this area.
Pretty trafficky today. I don't know what these people are, the seekers like us, or they gotta go somewhere.
Or they're hoping stores are open, which I don't
Yeah,
think.
a lot of power out over here on 98, so, and I don't know where our power line, but there was a tree down next to us. There was a tree on top of some wires in their next door neighbor's house, but they didn't take down the line. There goes the electric people.
Here they come now.
Yep. There they come to save the day. But nope, looks like all this area here has no light. Because we have no, always
Lights.
remember,
It's a four-way stop.
it's a four-way stop, and they're doing it wrong there. And you got some idiot out there directing. But it's a four-way stop. You come up to the light, you stop, and then the next group goes. Always remember that in Florida, when there is no light, you treat it as a four-way. Like that black car should go next.
Yep.
Go ahead, dude, because
I'm not waiting all day.
right, and then you go. There you go. Treat it as a four-way stop. So this section here has no lights.
Because that one up there, the lights work.
Yes.
So it's on a different thread.
And there's a line there for, I don't know, Dunkin' Donuts.
Yep.
It's worth a trip. And I guess those are all the people that don't have power. They want Dunkin' Donuts coffee. You should have bought a Coleman. You should have bought a Coleman like we did. Yeah, that's all them people going to Dunkin' Donuts. There goes Zaxby's. It's for all the people that don't have lights. For Zaxby's. That's the whole line for Zaxby's, man. Little more to Coleman. Alright, we're getting by Chick-fil-A. And again, you got to treat this like a four-way stop when there is no light working. And what's going to cause an accident is the people that do not know that when the light is out, because a lot of people are blowing through these lights.
Thinking because they're going straight that they got the right of way.
Yep. So just always remember, in Florida, if the light is out, it's treated as a four-way stop. And someone hits you from behind, you're going to make some money. Yeah, they're smart enough to direct traffic here.
Thank God, because nobody would pay attention.
Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go. This is everyone going for gas.
Oh, boy.
Unless you're going to work, I don't know why. You should have had a full tank of gas.
Yeah.
That's why these things got to be done before. That sign up ahead did not make it. Did not make it. Alright, downtown Lakeland. Don't know why they don't have a cop here.
Right down Memorial?
Yeah, this is a busy intersection, so. Alright, hopefully that dude was supposed to stop.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Make sure you got your fog lights on.
Got them on.
Yeah, we're gonna stay away from the city because they have no lights at all.
And people aren't
adhering to the thing.
lost.
Yeah. Go for it.
I am, but I want to make sure they were going to stop.
I know. I'm just saying, but yeah, that's too dangerous.
It ain't worth getting into an accident over.
No, because you don't. There's people that move down here and they
Don't know.
It's not their fault. They just don't know the laws of the lights. You see, they brought the lights down.
Yeah.
See all the lights they bring down? And then they'll bring them back up.
When the coast is clear.
Yep. Peekaboo, I see you. God, ain't no one living in there. Trailer park looks like it fared good. We might get some mail.
Yeah, we
Who
might.
knows? There's some flooding, but not bad. And this area here has, in part of Kathleen, has a lot of trees.
So far, they're all pretty well much standing up. Hello. Hey. It almost looks like a church.
I know you keep driving by fast, though. I can't get everything. But I mean, now you're driving slow. But okay. You know, hey, look, you usually slow down, you don't drive fast. But a lot out here is the flooding. Not bad. That tree split there. A little fence damage.
Skirting.
Yeah, skirting. But they got no power out this way.
I don't think so.
No, I heard a generator
Oh, did you?
running. And this is what you call this is where the good dirt, what people call swampy land.
Yeah.
And that's what's good about this area here, is there's no sinkholes out here. Now you can kill the wiper.
Okay.
Maybe you should do good. Oh, there's another tree over there to the left.
Yeah.
Around that corner. But for the most part,
I think we all fared pretty well.
I mean, a lot of people didn't have
Roofs ripped off, trees in the
Yeah.
houses.
Yeah, the sun's trying to break
Oh, yeah.
through.
Yep.
That fence came down there.
Yeah.
That right there. So, I mean,
we expect debris from trees and limbs, torn off.
like I said, see, they're on high ground, so that's what makes it good. But I'm sure there's some areas that are worse
Oh, yeah.
in Lakeland because of the trees.
Yeah.
And this is just Lakeland. This is not, we're not, talking about all of Florida.
No.
Because we already know Fort Myers is wiped out.
Yep.
I mean, that whole area down there is wiped out.
It's devastated bad.
They took but overall of it, I mean, people fared pretty good. Maybe I don't know if that was like that but overall of it, I mean, people fared pretty good.
I think we did better with this one than we did with Irma, because I'll tell you, Irma.
Well, this was the strongest, but remember, we weren't in the eye.
Right.
So the people that were in the eye,
Got the most.
those are the ones that really
got the damage.
Yes. Yeah, the eye is the killer. But this was one of the top 5 strongest hurricanes Florida's ever had. And it happened to be the left side.
Yeah.
And it was one of the widest hurricanes, the slowest hurricane that Florida has had. So, but overall, Kathleen, and you might have a house that might have a tree on it. You might have the rest of the area is good, which is good.
I'm looking down the roads. I'm not.
But those ditches, that's what they're supposed to do.
Yep. Hold that water.
Hold the water for you. And one thing BB did make as a comment is that Mother Nature literally cleaned the trees.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
I mean, all there is just leaves and moss on the ground.
There'll be a lot less shit falling in the winter than there normally is, because Mother Nature just thinned them out for us.
Yes.
So good.
Yeah, she definitely thinned them out because
apparently she said they were a little overweight, so she had to shake it up a bit. She's like, well, there, you look a little bit better now. You're not
now
so
we can
fat.
see through the trees again.
Yeah.
And another thing that helped us is that there was no tornadoes in this one.
No,
no lightning.
No, we didn't get no lightning, no thunder.
Right.
And no tornadoes, thank God.
No, this was basically a wind.
And rainmaker.
And flash flood in some areas.
Some damage on the house.
Pretty much of it. You got people over there with the hoods up, so you know what that means. They got dead batteries because I bet you their alternators are bad.
Uh-huh.
That's the good.
Yeah.
Yep, just little debris like we had.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
That's a few trees down. Tree down.
Either this, like they had a cop up there, either he lived there or
Blocking traffic.
tree down.
Yep.
See what he does. Linesman. Oh, that house. That's one.
Oh.
Yep, they'll be blocking traffic pretty soon.
Yep.
Linesmen are out working.
Okay. Tree come up there.
Yep. I've been working on the lines to get BB Electric back. I'm working on the lines to get BB Avengers back.
And guys, if you see people working on the lines, don't go flying by them. Slow down, for heaven's sakes.
If I working on your line.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh boy. Okay.
That's why we had some outage.
Yeah.
In different areas, because there's like small pockets.
See, before you can never see that trailer in the back. Now you can.
But like small pockets. You know, like our pocket. You know how like it never rains on our house, but it rains around us?
Right. Oh, that one, the palm tree went boom boom.
Well, the bastards around us got electricity and we didn't get electricity. I hope what's his name is doing good in the cemetery.
Arthur, yeah.
Yep. Mother's Nature's way of trimming the tips of the trees.
Yeah, she said they were getting a little too heavy. She had to thin them up.
And believe it or not, as gross as that is, that does help the trees from not falling when we have our regular Florida storm, because that moss gets heavy when it rains.
And then you got to realize these are water oaks.
Yeah.
So they're kind of dry in the middle, and then as you get rain, it sucks up the rain. And then when you get all that heavy wind, and then that's when they come toppling over.
They had tin on their windows. These people boarded up their windows. No shame in that. Not bad through here.
These old houses are sticking it out, let me tell you.
It looked like that branch fell.
That branch got ripped.
Trailers did good. They did good. Ooh, look at that one up ahead.
That tree didn't do so good.
Yeah. That one had to come across the road.
Yeah, it did. Someone's already cut it.
Yep. Alright, let's get the heck away from this tree. And that's the tree that'll keep on coming down.
Yeah.
Yep. That fence there. Whether they're gonna build another subdivision.
Yep.
Son of a gun. Cleared out all them trees.
Jesus.
Yep. That's what they're gonna do.
We're gonna be subdivision alley.
Subdivision alley, bye. And then people will probably have electricity.
Some little breeze there.
And they had boarded up their windows because they have a tree on top of their house. Well, I guess I'm happy to see that there's not a lot of big major damages to people's homes. This is the street I was telling you that those houses are lower than the street and they tend to flood. But we didn't get, we got rain, but it was wind rain. It wasn't a downpour.
Yeah.
So they got lucky. Them people did. Because if it was the downpour, the flash flood rain, it'd be all underwater. It's just crazy seeing all those leaves on the ground.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
But you know, I think everyone got a wake-up call with Irma, and from that time on, everyone's been trimming trees and keeping everything up to par, man, when it comes to trees being around their houses and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, unfortunately, it takes something that devastating for people to wake up when you have a house. And I know everyone gets busy, don't get me wrong. You know, it's like, okay, well, we'll do it next week. Well, something else comes up. Okay, we keep putting it off, and then you get a major hurricane, and then when you've got a tree in the middle of your living room or in your kitchen, you're like, damn, if I'd have just taken care of that earlier this year, maybe that wouldn't have happened.
Some fence damage there.
That fence always goes down.
Not bad.
No, we did really, really good. I feel like we've been blessed this time around.
Yeah, it's just little limbs. Little limmies.
Yeah, mailboxes maybe knocked down because of a limb coming out of a tree or something, but...
And thank God it's not limbs from a tornado.
Yes.
You know, it's just limbs that were probably bound to break.
Yeah. I know people love trees to cover their house because it helps shade it, but
yeah,
it's times like this.
Those people, they had their house bordered.
Yeah.
Alrighty, make a right. These houses here were built in the 80s. Yeah, they had their houses boarded. Like I said, no right or wrong.
No.
I don't blame them because they got a tree close to them.
Heck yeah, and you got trees
And,
across the roadway.
Yeah.
Limbs can come flying through. Yeah, I don't blame them. Not at all. You got to protect your assets.
And then you're going to make a left here. These were, this subdivision reason went in here because this has a lot of the older water oak trees. Can be 50 plus,
Yeah.
maybe even over to 75 years.
And those were some nice chairs.
No, we're not picking up
No, we're not.
garbage.
Just saying, they're
Now
throwing
you
them
make
out.
me want to look what they look like.
Those were the heavy iron chairs. Why are you getting rid of those? Okay.
Yep. But like I said, thank God
At least it didn't
it
fall
didn't
on
go
their
on
house.
their house.
And it may have scratched up their car a little bit, but
Yeah, that's the driveway.
yeah.
But they did good.
Heck yeah.
Beat me. The garbage picker. That's same thing as I used to do to my kids. Make them pick garbage. You got no shame, but you hit your head on the top. Yeah. Yep, more stuff. So when the hurricane comes around, we got to put away. Yep, everybody's out cleaning. That would be my biggest fear, is that you had solar panel. So far, the solar panels are good.
Yeah.
But yeah, not bad debris fall. And the rest of that little stuff you can cut with your lawnmower.
Yeah.
You don't have to break your back and pick every little piece that But you see how they got the solar panel?
Yeah, they did.
But
good.
it was facing this way and the storm was coming from the back.
Yeah.
So, but then you can make it right here. I smell wood burning, so people are already starting to burn.
fires.
Yep. Over there. So that means they got damage.
Or they just got a lot of debris they're burning.
These houses were built in '93. This is the subdivision I first moved into, and our house was the second house in this subdivision, and they fared pretty good.
Yeah,
the first house was that purple house.
Oh, it was?
That was the first house that was built here, and it was my house and this house. We were here for almost 5 years with just us two together. 10 years before anyone started building, and then it got filled up, and then that was the house right there, my first house in Florida. Yep, that was it.
That one's starting to kick up again.
It's a nice neighborhood. People come here trick-or-treating.
Oh, yeah.
It's where everyone comes to trick-or-treat. Paying $30 a year. And I used to gripe about subdivision fees. Now they're $500 plus, but didn't have a problem with no neighbors back then. Because back then, you had to make a certain income to come into subdivisions. Now subdivisions, they'll let anybody in. But back then, you had to have a certain income. They just, didn't let anybody. And you couldn't have, you couldn't rent. Mm-hmm. You couldn't have government loans to get in here. You had to have a job and thing. But now it's all changed now.
Yep.
Now you can rent in here and everything.